In this video, I'm going to teach you how to change phone number on PlayStation 5. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Changing your phone number on your PlayStation Network account can be done directly through the console. So if you don't want to access the PlayStation website, follow the instructions in this video and you can change your phone number by simply using your PlayStation 5. First, head over into the settings of the console. So from the home screen, before you go into a game, look at the top right corner and you will find the settings icon. In here, first, go into the users and accounts category. Inside of users and accounts, you will select the account category here and then go into security once more. Set security features for your account. Finally, one of the options inside is going to be mobile number. You will have plenty of other customization options, but of course this is the focus of this video. If you forget your password, we will send a verification code to your mobile phone so you can access your account. So now input the new phone number here. You can use the button to add a mobile number at the top, and you can use this trash can icon at the right side of any phone number listed here to delete it from this list. It is simple to do. So head over into settings, users and accounts, account category, which should be the default one, and then security, where you will find plenty of options, including your phone number. Once the new phone number is input, you might have to verify it with an SMS, and then it is going to remain active on this page. It will be updated and you can modify this at any point. If you prefer, you can also visit the PlayStation website and do the exact same instructions from there on your account preferences page. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.